Today's topic is current affair first May. So let's begin. The first question: which IIT institution has converted the exiting nitrogen plant into an oxygen generator? Correct answer is IIT Bombay. The next. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has inaugurated the country's first 3D printed house at which IIT institution? The correct answer is IIT Madras. World's longest pedestrian suspension bridge has opened in which of the following countries? The correct answer is Portugal. Soli Jahangir Saurabhji, who passed away recently, was the former Attorney General of India. When is Ayushman Bharat Divas observed every year? The correct answer is 30 April. Which bank has launched the digital platform Merchant Stack to target over 2 crore retail merchants in the country? The correct answer is ICICI Bank. Which social media platform is to add a fact box feature on users' timeline to help promote the ongoing COVID-19 vaccination efforts? The correct answer is Twitter. Question number 8. Mati banana for which geographical indication tag has been sought is cultivated in which state? The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Which district in Haryana has started a unique oxygen on wheel initiative? The correct answer is Karnal. Question number 10. Which country has launched the multi-screen test system to detect the presence of disease such as HIV, hepatitis B and C and syphilis simultaneously? So the correct answer is Russia. Question number 11. K.V. Anand, who recently passed away, was a renowned film director and a cinematographer of which regional cinema? The correct answer is Tamil. Question number 12. According to the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi, which came into force on April 27, the Government of Delhi means the Lieutenant Governor. National Commission for Women has recently started a WhatsApp helpline number 935-495-4224 for pregnant women. Who is the current chairman of NCW? The correct answer is Rekha Sharma. Question number 14. Yanbo port, which was recently targeted by an exclusive laden drone, is located in which country? The correct answer is Saudi Arabia. The next. Which bank has approved the reappointment of Amitabh Chaudhary as its managing director and CEO for 3 years? The correct answer is Axis Bank. Question number 16. Which Indian has been appointed to the Board of Trustees and of Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center MSK in United States? The correct answer is Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw. Question number 17. Senior journalist Rohit Sardana, who passed away recently, was a renowned anchor of which news channel? The correct answer is Aaj Tak. Question number 18. Dozens of people were killed at Lag Bim Om's religious festival recently. The festival took place in which country? The correct answer is Israel. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, subscribe our channel GK Vidya and don't forget to like, share and comment.